Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude AI in Incognito mode. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So Incognito mode will help you generate charts and interact with Claude AI without having your data saved on Claude memory or even used to train these AI models. To do so, just go ahead and log into your Claude account. And once you are logged in, now head over to this right sidebar here, and you can see we have use incognito option. If you click on this, now you will have incognito activated, and you're told incognito charts aren't saved to history or used to train models. So anything you write or you generate here won't be saved to history. So for example, if I go ahead and enter my prompt here in Claude like this, and then generate chart here by clicking on generate here, the response will be generated as you can see here, but on the sidebar you can see there is no history being saved. And if I happen to exit incognito mode, then go to the sidebar, you can see it is still not appearing on my recent. So that's how you can use Claude AI incognito mode. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.